Good morning friends, myself Niranjan and you are watching the channel Quest. Today is 25th August. Some of the important events happened on 25th August in history of India and the world which all of us must know. So let's look at those events happened on 25th August in form of questionnaires so as to enable you to memorize easily. Before beginning, let's have today's thought. Once you decide that you want a good life, the universe will start moving things for you to have it. The people you need will happen. The doors you need open will unblock. But not until you decide. Once you truly sincerely decide, the miracles will happen. Now let's start today's session of our questionnaires. Question number 1. Which Maharaja of Jaipur won polo championship against France on this day in World Cup 1957? Answer. Sawai Maharaja Mansingh II. Question number 2. Which year on this day 7 selected Indians serving the British Indian Army were granted King's Commission in the Infantry and Cavalry? Answer. 1917. This is the process of Indianization in which Indians were introduced into the commissioned rank of the defense forces in India. Question number 3. Which Odissi music guru and vocalist died on this day in 2013 who sang in popular Telugu movies Ila Velupu and Joyaberi and promoted the life and works of Joydev and cult of Lord Jagannath? Answer. Raghunath Panigrahi. He is the spouse of Odissi performer Sanyukta Panigrahi. Question number 4. Which Indian athlete from Uttar Pradesh won gold in shot put in Jakarta Olympics on this day in 2018? Answer. Tejinder Pal Singh. Question number 5. Which English scientist died on this day in 1867 is known for his principles of electromagnetism, diamagnetism and electrolysis? Answer. Michael Faraday. Question number 6. Which spacecraft reached our solar system's 8th planet Neptune on this day in 1989? Answer. Voyager 2. It gave us the first close-up of Neptune on this day. Question number 7. Which Scottish mechanical engineer died on this day in 1891 is known for his invention of steam engine? Answer. James Watt. Question number 8. Which year on this day Lithuania, Latvia and Estonia joined Soviet Union? Answer. 1940. Question number 9. First version of which operating system was released on this day in 1991 in Sweden by Linus Torvald? Answer. Linux. Question number 10. Which German racing superstar made his Formula 1 debut in Belgian Grand Prix on this day in 1991? Answer. Michael Schumacher. Question number 11. Which spacecraft became the first spacecraft to enter the interstellar space on this day in 2012, which was launched by NASA on 5th September 1977? Answer. Voyager 1. Question number 12. Which American astronaut died on this day in 2012 was the first person to set foot on the moon? Answer. Neil Armstrong. Friends, thanks for watching the video. If you feel the video is useful, then appreciate it so that we can come up with better videos on history for you. Thank you.